All right. Storm moving on us pretty quick, so we gotta be pretty fast. Trying to catch a piece of bait right now. So I'm looking for a bluegill about yay big. See 2 bluegill, not what I'm looking for. Got him, he's too big. But there's a bunch more now. Perfect. Dang it, too big. Come on, come on. Come on, your buddy did it, why can't you? Make me deal with you, okay. Got him. Perfect. No, 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 no. That's my bait, that's my bait, that's my bait. Ha. Perfect. There's our bait. There we go. Now we just keep them on the surface and keep them kind of going haywire. This up and just put it right there on the edge. Let this guy go. Tired him out enough. I really want to catch that turtle. But that was a belly flop. All right, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab this, tighten my drag back, obviously. And this fish probably found the only weeds down there, or he's really close to the bank. Yep, he's on the bank. No, he's not, okay. And he found the weeds. Okay, we'll go ahead and stick him right there. Oh my God, he ate it, he ate it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got him. Yeah, he's not the biggest either. They're definitely getting bigger in here, which is nice. I mean, someone's been doing some management. I've been asked to do some management, but it wasn't me. Oh my goodness. Come here, little guy. Not the biggest. But you know what? He ate. And that's a fish. So, there we go. Live bait, baby. Now we're out of bait. So we're gonna try and catch another piece of bait. Let this guy go. Come here, bud. You ready? Come on, skedaddle. Oh my goodness, that stuff reeks, dude. Wow. All right. Shirt's getting all wet. I could probably throw my shirt on and be pretty well not dry. I'll probably do that so the outside only gets wet until it eventually will soak through, but you think a turtle will like bread? Oh, he's hanging around now. Oh my goodness. He ate the bread. He's okay. It's a small hook. Small line? It'd be a fun fight. Oh no, 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 no. Nope. 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 He wants the bread, man. And I just want a bluegill. That's all I want. Another bait-sized bluegill. Come here. That's all I'm looking for, bait-sized bluegill. Dang it. Check. Yep, there's some thunder. That's out at the lake, I think, though. Guess that could have been a shotgun, but that was a big boom. If I saw a smaller turtle that I could handle, yeah, I'd definitely reel him in. I'd definitely try and catch him. But I cannot handle that turtle on this little rod by myself with the pliers I have. I've got a small pair of pliers and he would probably bite my fingers off. He just needs to stay over there, mind his own business while I catch a bluegill. He's looking for food though. Too big. Yeah, we're gonna throw in that frog. That's the way I look at it. Again, this is not the right setup for this. Rain coming down, see if we can get anything done. Just spooked, dang it. Ain't that crazy? Just looking for one good one on the frog. 2 to 4. Okay. Oh, I gotta pee. Guys, let's throw one of these little white things. Too far or not enough? Perfect. Bash, look out now. I got something that they will eat very easily. Got him. Told you. Got him. It's that easy. Little bitty guy, but you know, what'd you expect when you're using small baits? Got a better one. Much better than the last. Tighten this drag up a little more. Oh yeah, much better fish than the last. Come on, man. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing's gonna hurt you. We're not gonna hurt you. Asshole, mother. I had to throw you on the cooker for that one, dude. I am covered in this stuff now. That is disgusting. Another one. Another one bites the dust. Much better than the last, I would say. So, I'm covered in this junk now. It smells like, oh, pond. There used to be a lot of bass that you'd have to literally throw one of these just to catch. Oh, one's on it. Got him. Stay low. Stay low. Ski him in. It's a 6-pound test. I got my eye. Another little bitty guy, but going for the video. Oh, I got him. Didn't even know I had him. Okay, this was definitely the move, switching to a smaller bait so I can catch fish. I mean, these guys, aren't skinny. They're eating. So, come on. There we go. And they're not skinny. I mean, they're eating. Obviously, they're on the bank eating. But that's why I wasn't getting them on the frog. That and hook sets were absolute garbage. What did I just say? No, turtle, move. Got him right there. Oh, I watched him come up and eat it. That was cool. It's little, but it's a fish. And we don't complain about fish, now do we? If you complain about fish, then you're not fishing for the right reasons. That's all there is to it. Little bitty guy. That's a decent one right there. Got him. When they're little, I can just ski them in. Getting smaller and smaller. I mean, smaller. There's the bait. Gonna let that sink a little bit. Kind of jig it back. Let's see what happens jigging. Oh my gosh, it actually worked. Another little bitty one, but like I said, when you're fishing these ponds, you can't expect to catch big ones all the time. So, I will not complain as long as I'm catching fish. And now you see why the fish don't get very big though. There's a bunch of little bitty guys in this thing. So, probably over for a while. I think it's only like 6 o'clock, so. Bluegill? Yep. Multi-species kind of day, you know what I'm saying? Bluegill. I think my bag's wide open. Bluegill. Thank you, little guy. I think it's the same one.